Come along and harvest this with me in my backyard garden. Let's grow. All right, this is my veggie patch where all of my vegetables are grown. I have some bok choy that are going to flower and ready to harvest. We're gonna grab those. Some Napa cabbage and some green cabbage. I'm cutting the bok choy at the root, at the soil line. Look at how pretty that is. This is gonna be really good in stir fries or soups. Napa cabbages right here need to come out. They are ready to go. These are a little bit smaller variety of Napa cabbage, which I like to grow because it doesn't take as much space as the regular varieties. Look at that! Woo! Another one. All right, and this one is regular green cabbage, another smaller variety. These are ready to go. Woohoo! I'm gonna take out these outer leaves. Some beets back there. Okay, and I got some beets over here, hiding in the little corner. These were ready to come out a while ago, actually. We're just gonna clear this whole thing off. My favorite way to grow strawberries, and they are coming in hot right now. We got strawberries here too, so I'm gonna get those. I know I have an everbearing and also a June bearing, but mostly everbearing. They're a little bit smaller, but they tend to give you more berries throughout the year instead of just one huge harvest during the summer, which is the June bearing. I have some strawberries that aren't looking so good, but the chickens would appreciate it. Here you go. All right, I have some of this broccolini that's also ready. Probably past ready, but they're still really delicious. All I'm gonna do is just snap these off. And they will continue to grow, actually. Let me just grab this. More side shoots will grow, and then we can get these. We're gonna go to the next spot. Okay, so over here I have a lot of deciduous fruit trees that are growing, peaches, pluots, and then underneath are a lot of beautiful flowers that I love to grow and use for bouquets. All right, here's my chicken coop. Have some fruit trees here, some fruit trees here too, and then more flowers underneath all of the fruit trees, bring in more pollinators. And let me grab some avocados. Let's get this. Right over here, I have my secret garden. It's mostly perennials, asparagus, and I'm gonna do my sweet potatoes there. But we're gonna get some ripe bananas now. Okay, I'm looking for a saw to chop down the banana stalk. Got this and some gloves. Got up. All right, here's the bananas. I'm going to actually chop off this bottom part first. It's also edible, but eaten more like a vegetable. So let's get this. We could just snap it off. Ooh! Maybe not. It's been overwintering, so a little mushy. We're not gonna try to chop it down from there. What we're gonna do is chop off a piece of the stalk, which is hard to see because this big banana is in the way. I'm gonna cut a piece of triangle off of it and then lean it slowly down. I just cut a piece of it. It's like a little triangle. And then we could try to slowly pull the tree down. You want, look at that. Look at the trunk. You see, now we can safely grab the banana rack instead of it falling from 10 feet above us and crashing down. This is a much safer way to do it. Look at all that water. Oof. And there we go. Our banana rack. It's very heavy. I'd say about 30 pounds or so. Look at this rack. All right, guys, that was a lot of harvesting, but thanks for hanging out. We have some beets, strawberries, broccolini, peas, avocados, bok choy, 2 types of cabbages, Napa, and our green type of cabbage, and a whole rack of bananas. If you like a more detailed tour of the backyard garden, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye! Okay, well, now what am I gonna do with all of this? Oh, I can make banana ice cream, strawberry ice cream, some kimchi with the Napa cabbage, maybe some stir fry, some salad, and guacamole. Yeah, that sounds good.